So the question is, which factor remains constant for a given question related to the angular speed and their angular distance? Whereas omega 1, omega 2 and omega 3 is representing the angular speed in terms of second, hour and minute. Whereas x1, x2 and x3 are representing their corresponding angular distance. It's known that if it is representing by the second, the angular frequency or an angular speed will be equal to 2 pi divided by 60. From this, we can write the displacement x1 will be equal to 2 pi divided by 60 times 60. So, which will be equal to 2 pi. Similarly, omega 2, which is representing the angular speed in terms of minute, which means it's equal to 2 pi divided by 3600. So from this we can write x2 is equal to pi divided by 3600 times 60, which means it's equal to 2 pi over 60. Similarly, omega 3 is representing the angular speed in terms of hour, so we can write this as equal to 2 pi divided by 3600 times 12. So here we can write x2 is equal to 2 pi divided by 3600 times 12 times 60. So which will be equal to 2 pi over 720. So here when we are checking the ratio of omega 1 divided by x1 and omega 2 divided by x2 and omega 2 divided by x3, we will get the value as 1 over 60 for everything. So here we can say omega 1 over x1 will be equal to omega 2 divided by x2, which is equal to omega 3 divided by x3. And here we can say it's equal to the constant 1 over 60, which is k. So based on that, we can say option A will be the correct answer for this question.